In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Workspace admin account. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, what you'll need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace website. You can find it easily by typing Google Workspace into your search engine, or by directly visiting workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you're greeted with a page that highlights Google's secure online productivity and collaboration tools. It's quite informative if you're interested in diving deeper into what Google Workspace offers, but for now, let's focus on setting up the admin account. On this page, you'll notice a prominent button labeled Get Started. Click on this and you're on your way to beginning the setup process. This is an essential part as it directs you to a page where you'll be entering your organizational details. Now let's move on to entering your details. The system will ask you for some basic information such as your business name and contact information. Make sure to fill these out accurately because this information helps personalize your workspace and ensures the admin account is correctly associated with your organization. At this point, you may be prompted to get a domain if you don't already have one. The domain is essentially your online business address, and it's something your company's emails will be based off. If you don't have a domain yet, don't worry. A number of options for purchasing one will be presented to you through this interface. Remember, selecting the right domain is important as it reflects your business identity. Once your domain is sorted, the final step is returning to the Google Workspace home. This is where you can access all Google Workspace applications from a centralized dashboard. Here you'll be managing your services and users. Google Workspace will provide you guidance and tips on how to make the most of its apps. It's intuitive and you'll be able to navigate through your new admin account setup with ease. And that's it, you've successfully set up your Google Workspace admin account. Take a moment to explore the admin panel and familiarize yourself with the settings available. This is where the control of your organization's tools and data exists. With practice, you'll get a handle on managing everything from user accounts to security settings efficiently. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check out more of Google's support resources. Thank you for watching and enjoy managing your new Google Workspace.